Hey everyone, today we're going to be putting together some three-piece wheels. We got some work equips that we got freshly powder coated. We got some 4-inch inner barrels and 8-inch outer lip. These will be to complete my set of equips on my truck over here. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, now it's time for the fun part. We're gonna be using some sealer, Sikaflex 221. Put some tape along the edges, just keeps it nice and clean. So if you noticed, I'd like to do a nice pass, go over it and push down in the crevice just to make sure that you get all the sealant in there. And then, you know, just do a couple passes, fill up any low spots, just kind of give it like a second pass and just kind of fill it up. Obviously I made a little bit of a mess. Probably some thicker tape would help, you know, some 2-inch tape maybe, but that's just what I had at the time. And then that's pretty much it. Don't forget our center cap. And ta-da! Just got to put our valve stem back in. I'm gonna get some new seals for that. We'll let this cure. I'll probably let it sit overnight. There's one. I'm just gonna do the other one and then we'll get some tires mounted. Well, that was easy. All right. Let's get some tires mounted. All right, we got some tires mounted. Nice fresh meat. Look at that. Nice. Ooh, look at that. All right, let's get these puppies mounted. Well, can you say dumb? I'm just having fun here. So in case anybody wondering what in the world has been happening to this truck, the truck's kind of getting more and more beat up as time goes on. Cab's just falling apart. I mean, this thing was a rough start. And so, you know, we do have that other body for it, but there's some other projects in the works before this. This thing just works. It's probably been 7 years now since I built it. And what'd I do? Maybe upgrade the fuel pump. I had like a stock pump in there. And then the valve cover's melting, but that was just because of, you know, abuse and, you know, drive shafts and things like that. But that's all abuse. As far as drivability and reliability goes, this thing's been solid for 7 years. So it just works. It just works, and I just drive it. And the story with these wheels is I bought a pair of them, and I bought them with the 8-inch lip just for fun, because I've always loved these wheels. They were just sitting around, and one day I got bored and said, let me throw them on the truck just for fun. So, you know, the fenders are falling off and coming apart anyway, so I didn't feel bad chopping it up. So I did that, and then I waited a little bit to get the matching fronts, and here we are. So I'm just having some fun with it. I'll probably put it back to stock fenders and the other Meisters on there, but for now I'm just kind of giving like you know, giving it the drift truck vibe, just having some fun. So enjoy it. That was just a quick little video, just throwing some wheels on the truck. Enjoy. See you guys.